You know, sometimes in life, shit don't go the way you want it to go. This lesson is that. Gary, you can do it. You gon' make it. Got to do it. You got your friends, all these people depending on you to be the equal to their dreams. Make it, nigga. Can't give up, boy. You gotta get bigger. You gotta stay good. You gotta keep going. Cause if you stop, nigga, it ain't go on it. Nobody go do it but you. I'm trying to tell you the goddamn truth. Nigga, you's the one, you gotta make it, baby boy. I'm telling you, cause the blood fucking faded, and I know you gotta make it. I know you gotta do it. You're talking to yourself, and niggas fucking knew it. They fucking think that you're crazy, and they think that you're lame, but they don't know secretly that you ahead of the game, and you do all this shit, all the pain that you going through. You go do it and learn from it. It's the fucking truth. It's life. That's fucking life. I know that right now you don't feel right. Like nigga, it's good. Like nigga, it's K. I'm telling you from yourself, this is okay. Baby boy, I'm telling you. Mr. Gore, I'm telling you. Mr. Riley, you gon' make it. It's a blessing, dude. Boy, you a blessing, boy. You should know it. Nobody go fucking show it. Cause people go hate and people go hurt you. But if they don't hurt you, how you fucking go learn? How you go burn? Usher was saying that shit. So tell me what the fuck he wasn't playing then, bitch. Nigga, you know it. Boy, what's up? How do you go give up? Nigga, don't give up. Go make it. Yeah, you gon' make it. Go on the club and you go get paid. And all these girls gonna be waiting down naked. All these girls gonna have your baby. Yeah, you gon' make it. Gotta just make it for real. Can't give up, nigga. Dreams is real. I love you and you love yourself. And that means you're doing well, better than everyone else. Cause you got a plan and your plan's real. Your dreams are happening, you just gotta will. The brain, the fucking blade. Will the shit, nigga, the fucking fame, and the fucking money, and the fucking dreams will happen. I promise you go just succeed. Succeed. You go motherfucking yes succeed. Ah, yeah. I know you loved her. And you ain't never love nobody else. It's gonna be alright though. From this one girl, thousands gonna come. And you gonna learn not to get so attached. So where you fucked up at? Uh, like look. Here's another verse for you. Don't give up. Keep going, boy, riding around in trucks. Bentleys, watches, do this shit. Diamonds glistening on your wrist. They glisten like the sun and they glisten in the moon. And your money coming up, and yes, it is coming soon. And I'm telling you, nigga, cause you a fucking rude. What you doing, where you going in this room. It's you. People go pay you. People go be your fucking baker. People go date you. People go leave you. If you don't learn how to be equal, don't stop putting feelings into everything you do. Stop putting feelings in, baby, that's the truth. Trying to tell you what to do, trying to tell you how to act, trying to tell you be a man, not a murder contract. Nigga gotta do this shit, gotta fucking make it quick, gotta make it money, gotta do it. Adrian sick, Adrian doing it. Poopy go be the fucking man, it's to ruin it, but you gotta keep it, you gotta make him, you gotta make sure that he is paying, he gotta be like your son, make him the motherfucking one. Yeah, Poopy, I love you, man. Nick, I love you too, dog. And Jamal, and Jay, Haley, fam, and even though you hurt me, Jay-Z, like I told you, I have in my heart.